Work goes on KB976 fuselage from Lancaster. More skins have been peeled back and John has added more stringers. It's a lot better in the hangar for audio recordings now. The new air compression has been installed and it's very quiet.
Just alongside the crack. The trouble is you've got to polish the paint off.
Yeah.
So you can see where they are.
This panel at the rear of the starboard side is too badly damaged and will have to be taken off and replaced. Les has been working on the panel, drilling out hundreds of rivets. John just points out more rivets to be removed.
Stuff like that. Somebody put it in to try and take out a dent. It was feeling.
Big dent in there, big dent in there. That was dented in. Just pull them out. Straighten them up.
You'll be able to pull them out, will you?
Hope so.
Yeah.
Hope so. They're not fabulous.
No.
So it should go.
Why is that stringer short? Or
What, this one here?
no, the one up, the middle. Go put your hand up, John.
Yeah.
That one, yeah. It doesn't go all the way to the end.
Well, this is the top of the opening for the
Yeah.
tail plate. Takes the bottom. The string finishes it out there, and then you've got this piece put in.
I remember wondering why it doesn't go from there up to there.
Got to there to there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So as it gets narrow, you need less stringers.
I see. So you can get away. Oh yeah, the gapping's about right there, isn't it?
There's two here. You stop there.
Yeah.
One stops there. You just don't need another one. No.
Yeah,
How much saving weight is it?
yeah.
You just don't need it.
Oh, good.
But the
Thank
other
you.
thing that you can see now that you couldn't see before is the mounting bolts for the fuselage into the jig.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't really can hear it. So this is the panel you took off last week,
Yes.
and it was not distorted or anything, so you can drill the holes through here as a pattern,
Well,
or a certain amount of them.
what you have to do is actually start from the middle because there is a distortion in it. Because obviously the skins have been dented so it's stretched.
Yeah.
So what you do, you start from the middle, then you start by clamping it down in the middle and then you gradually work outwards from that.
Yeah, pushing it out. So
Yeah. So all the important bits are all pinned down. What we did, John actually went in and straightened out some of the stringers that had bent.
He has straightened them out.
So we then took this and put it back to the aeroplane
Yeah.
just to make sure that it would still fit after he'd adjusted it, and he did. So now we know that that's good. What we've got to do is start to replicate the holes where we can. I mean, obviously there is, as you say, some distortion. The other thing that you find is a lot of the holes have been elongated from where it was taken off previously.
Yeah.
So what we're trying to do is establish a number of holes that are good, that we can pin back,
Yeah.
and then John will actually back drill it then for the rest, just to make sure that it's as good as we can get it.
So this, you've got the green paint, this yellow is the sealant what was on.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, I think that was probably chromate, but yeah, the way it was coming off, it was chromate, not Duralac.
What's
because-
chromate?
It's a protective process for aluminium. Yeah, they find it used quite a lot actually.
Yeah. And this material you're using, obviously it's the equivalent.
Oh yeah, it's the same
Is there
thing.
a right and a wrong side?
What, to this?
Yes.
No, there's not a right and wrong side to this. You can use it whichever way. This is chromate, isn't it? The result of chromate on the stringers rather than Duralac or anything.
Yeah, it's just a
It's a spray.
like an edge primer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
John, Les and Ian have been cleaning the floor underneath the rear fuselage, ready for painting. I thought I'd put the opening video shots on without captions. Shows Brad on the tug using the string to manoeuvre it in position. No power steering on this model in the early 1950s.